Adding support for HTTPHEAD is very simple. You basically place HTTPHEAD attribute on top of the action that you want to have the head supported for. So, for example, for get bands, we can use HTTPHEAD. And that's all we have to do. Now the head is like get, but it doesn't return a response body. It is primarily used to get information about the resource, such as if the resource exists, or if it is valid, or if it was modified. So let's have a look what is going to be returned. Let's run this. And first, let's run get request for API/bands, and we get back all the bands. Now let's have a look at the headers. And you can see we get some information about the server and as well as the date. So this is the information that the user may find useful. However, it comes with the request body. So we are returning all the resources queried from the database. So let's run it with head. Let's send this. And we get 200 OK, but there is no body, so we do not actually go through using any resources. And let's go to headers, and we get the same headers. So when we use head, all that is returned is the information in the header. So for our purposes, it's not really very much useful. However, this information can be useful for the user to basically check some information about the resource or the server and such. Okay, so these are our get actions, and we are going to create a few more, but this time they will be used as filtering and searching. So let's do that next.